Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is playing a tape of Gracie, and Gracie came out and she's talking about Lady V and others in the mix. Now, there's different names, or there are different names that Gracie called, but in this, she did not reveal the true name of the person. So we're not sure who she's talking about, but you will hear a few times when Dwayne will try to put a name to the name that Gracie is saying. So, guys, you have to go ahead and hear what Gracie has to say, and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I want to wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, prosperity in all you do this year. And for all my other lovely supporters out there that are supporting me, I just want to say, have yourselves a wonderful and peaceful day.
She'll come out here for Gracie. And you say, chit chat, there's nothing more to come out here for Gracie for. Because there's everything for Gracie's already out here on the scene. You say everything about Gracie is already out here. Already.
You're there.
That's what you said.
You're there.
I said then, V, if everything for Gracie out here already, everything for your daughter out here too, V, and that must say the day, you know, V. V, and that must say the day, you know.
Me and I'm a bed, girl. What is the mix up in my bed? What is the mix up in my bed?
Because you are chit-chat in an argument and you provoke me, you go over chit-chat and chat things over there, you know. So I make you look like you're perfect, you know.
Me in my bed, listen to mix up with Honor.
Like, but I still have mine.
Me in my bed, I listen to mix up with Honor Lucky. Sit up on the black screen with me. In the darkness.
When you say everything for Gracie done out here on social media already, so there's nothing to bring down Gracie for.
My God.
When you say that now, I say no national, it's a get from bad to worse, V bright. Our daughter is out here too. Our daughter is out here too.
Oh,
so she
Lord.
shouldn't say nothing about our daughter. But me, because I pick me out here too. V, me put out your daughter all now. Me talk, you drop your word and me drop back my word. V, remember say the old dirty, nasty, stinking junkyard, you come in and you come ask you how your daughter stay. You send the picture and give the nasty junkyard. And that junkyard put your picture out and you not tell no lie for me. Remember when me chat, me never put out no picture. And nasty junkyard come in and you come in and you on your WhatsApp and him put it out here.
Yeah,
and you say yes, you send the picture, I'm going to give him for true. And you give him the picture and him put it out here. How the hell, what the mama, hey, how Gracie name getting out, say Gracie put out your daughter picture out here, woman?
You're there.
See how you wicked stuff.
Lord Jesus.
Now you put out your pick the picture, man, give it to the old nasty stinking junkyard.
Oh, what? Harry, they call junkyard.
Page over YouTube.
You're there. No, sir.
See, how come it be Gracie if you put out your daughter out here?
No, sir.
See, how it be me if you put your daughter out here?
No, sir.
You don't remember how it go?
My
Oh, you
God.
ever have me up in your heart and never me put your daughter out here. Your daughter never been at do things long time. You never have life over your page. What tell you come in for your page? And she a talk her story.
Mighty
Me
God.
never dig up no. Me go fight over your page.
My goodness. There's something I just no, sir.
And you cuss one little girl pan the life, say, oh, the man, them battery little girl. You bring no little girl pan the life, say, little girl talk about your daughter, but little girl and tell you like same age.
Yeah,
so I make you like tell you, argue with the little girl. You argue with the little girl as a big woman. and bring down the little girl for your life today.
You there?
Remember the boy with Antigua, Dread Truth, how you want name. Remember him first, he come out to come to life for 10 years. So how comes it be Gracie first to bring out your daughter out here? Don't mix me. Don't tell no lie for me. When me come and me say that V, all you mean to say everything for Gracie out on social media, everything for your daughter out here. Oh, so you over the side like a classic lady. So nobody there knows so you have daughter over here, so. The rest of people on social media didn't know, but your body over the side never know, so you have daughter out here.
You there?
A nation has already get into it now. So, somebody call me. And you know, you see right now, the only person out here, when I saw it, where a girl over YouTube, where come and tell me as much as she didn't talk for your part, I do a business, I shouldn't cost that woman.
Oh, what the
You
girl?
know, because at least she can't tell me I shouldn't cost the woman there. If I never sorry for cost nobody, I shouldn't trouble a lady there. I should have never trouble Unique when Unique can't tell me what V tell her say.
Yeah,
I should have leave Unique alone even though she never tell me for her part where she did say what V tell her. V, you just sneak against me.
You there?
Yeah, you just sneak against me. And you were sneaking against me before me talk about your daughter. For we talk truth. V, you were sneaking against me before we talk about your daughter. V, you just sneak against me for me to say you didn't know bulldog. And when me hear Penny catcher, the old struggle muggle over there, so say, look, wipe on our life, say you just sneak against me for me to say you didn't know bulldog. And you say you know bulldog. V, me up my one next part of the story, me no know if I she a liar or you a truth. Because you never called me and tell me say you never bulldog that our daughter. You never did call me the part there, me don't know about the part there. I swear to God, you never know about the part there. Because I don't think you did that neither, because you don't give me no reason to think that. Because you never tell me say you didn't know bulldog until after we find out who bulldog is and everything.
Yeah,
So you never tell me it's a bulldog that her daughter. So my time I say Penny catch a story, some might are true and some might are lying. Me don't know about some might.
Oh, Penny
Some
catch
me don't know
13?
about. The struggle muggles over there's a story some might not know about.
I said,
When
Penny
the blind men
catch.
come out, you come talk
Hey!
and draw the struggle muggles. That's the
That's
answer why struggle muggles. Thank you that me didn't want to know. Me want to know where my name mentioned, so me can listen to what you say, so know if me say to V for true. So struggle muggles, thank you. Me know if it dry out like a shoes lace long time. You never change your lip and you never change your spot.
Lord
Me know if it dry you out like a shoes lace at all time. A lip and never change his spot. Me know if it dry you out. That's why me go over YouTube. Go talk the things them. Cause me want you to come out and chat what she did tell about me. So struggle muggles, thank you very much, my love. Thank you very much, Miss Struggle Muggle, you.
Oh,
me know
Lord.
if it's to dry you right out. To make your chat.
Oh, Lord.
You know that me are the right Struggle Muggles? Right.
Lord Jesus.
And for me, I know. Me out here do me live. And told
Struggle Muggles.
No. Yeah, Struggle Muggles, they pan live, pan fast phone and laugh for me.
How many Struggle Muggles?
And when Struggle Muggles start cussing, you call Gracie. I vent to Gracie. And me as an idiot, now I come out and say, V, why me I tell you really take me for Papi Show?
How many Struggle
You
Muggles?
take me for a big Papi Show, eh? You take me for a big Papi Show. And all the time when you do this stuff then, you always know if you always soft for me back. Me believe, say, you're not guilty.
Struggle Muggles. How many Struggle Muggles?
Me can't believe it.
On our bed.
You see me, I try my way with God. And look what me tell my business this morning, eh?
Struggle Muggles.
Imagine how much people you tell my business, you know. Look what me tell my business this morning, V. Me go tell you on social media.
Good night, Gracie. Struggle Muggles. I want to struggle my
Me,
girls.
I'm gonna tell the whole social media come in and feel secure with that, with you knowing my business.
I want to struggle my girls. Go in there, Grace, so I want to struggle my
Look
girls.
how me call V, telling V my business this morning.
I thought you can't struggle my girls.
What did I tell you?
Lord Jesus. Yes, sir. I thought you didn't struggle my girls.
You know what? I never look at a negative comment at this man. Just block them personal.
I thought you didn't struggle my girls.
Bitter, why you always upon my life?
Them bitter us, them bitter us, them bitter us, man, bitter us. Them
If you know
bitter
like how
us.
somebody sounds Priscilla, why you always there in my life?
Priscilla bitter us.
You should ask me just as me not ignorant. You know?
Priscilla
My
bitter
daughter
us.
said, I am grown.
Priscilla
I am
bitter us
grown.
bad.
It's just that me
Bitter
don't like
us.
him something, you know.
She
I don't like
bitter
it.
us. Priscilla, you bitter us bad. Priscilla,
And
back
even
up.
if
Priscilla,
tell
back
us a
up.
woman
You
a shop
bitter us.
lie. Me did say it out in a public place.
Priscilla, you bitter us, girl.
all
You
the time,
bitter
then I lie.
us bad.
Say
Priscilla,
like
you
I'm
bitter
one
us.
time. With the rotting cough, you didn't
Back
think
up,
me
Priscilla,
that
back up. You
me
bitter
say.
us, Priscilla. You back
You
up.
think
You
me still like
bitter
you
us,
sound
girl.
our chat
You
no time when you come
bitter
out and
us.
go like on the name say no. Mr. Dana lie. The
You hear it?
rotting cough.
Dada, you lie.
What the hell?
Dada, Gracie, you lie. Gracie, you lie.
Dana lie. Every day me not ring start. I first say yeah, Mr. Dana lie.
Dada, Gracie, you lie, girl. You lie, you lie, you lie, girl. You
That's why
lie.
nasty admin them this try to page over YouTube and tell lies say they ain't white. To me say Dana lie. You're right him come your figures say me this says out in a public platform what times and Dana lie.
You hear Dada, Gracie, you lie, girl.
Dana lie.
Mighty
When not
God.
to catch me pan no record like how not to catch him struggle muggles up over this up and
Struggle muggles.
No, dirty struggle muggle.
Struggle
Dana
muggles.
wicked.
You're
And
wicked.
then they record it and private it back. Nasty drama page, it private it back. But drama page, when you play, me did stream it. When she said,
Struggle muggles.
from Celonia and beat up, and make him man them beat Celonia and take back your money.
You're supposed to, girl.
This set on recording.
Girl, you're
So
supposed to.
struggle muggles and go like she does say nothing. You said things for him.
Oh, at 13, can't struggle muggles. At
You're wickeder
13.
than me.
At 13,
At
can't
least
struggle
you don't say
muggles.
none a lie. What you said things for incriminate her. You didn't never hear me say to Alot, say me never say she thief, but she lie. Can't tell lie for me, me now go take you back and tell lie for me.
You hear that girl Gracie, you tell lie for her. What if I lie? A Gracie say it, not me.
You know say things for incriminate human struggle muggle.
Struggle
Human
muggles.
thief. Make him man them be slowly and take back his money struggle muggle. You see
Struggle
that
muggles.
struggle muggle. I mean go scream like all carry back over here if I say a lie no struggle muggle. So I don't know where you come about. Ask her if I don't lie. So she not lie? Where you damn lie you lie?
Struggle muggles.
Me don't know where struggle muggles she come from.
Struggle muggles, where you come from? Struggle muggles.
But Gracie say, that not lie. But the rotting cause me they say it publicly. Me afraid of that now. No, a plank of them, and I see plankers, they won't come for me.
When I hear struggle muggles.
No, they look hungry belly one, them look hustler, and will come after.
Struggle muggles. Right, so we're going.
Me not argue with no hustler. I'm welcome. And struggle muggles.
Struggle muggles.
None of lie all the time. I say struggle muggle. All the time I say muggle struggle.
Muggle struggles.
Say she even tell us that I said I'm a lie. Me say it. Struggle
Muggles.
muggles. Me say it.
Struggle muggles. Muggle struggles.
I say it publicly all the while. Me say publicly. Me not a secret. I no secret struggle muggle. So me know the rotted cuff you come about say. Gracie say, what the rotted cuff that I can't do is me here say Gracie say lie. When can do?
Struggle muggles.
I call anybody rotted cuff name out here. I call anybody name out here than a lie.
Like and share, girls. Like and share. Struggle, my girls.
I'm never say it again. So they couldn't leg on my shirt and make me go on. Me say what me say I'm God. Struggle, my girl say V said Gracie said than a lie. And me say, well, if V says so, me say than a lie. Because me say it all the while than a lie. And I tell lie for me more than one time. Yeah. The rotted cuff no come out. When the rotted cuff no come out.
Struggle, my girls. Like and share. Struggle, my girls.
Who's she? She's God? You will allow you to rotted cuff lie, including Dana.
But I tell you like, girls, I don't tell no lie.
Including Dana.
I don't tell a lie for the soul.
I never seen a God. And Dana no God.
I don't tell no lie for the soul, girl.
No God. Me each up a Dana house, you idiot. Why you can't each up a Dana house? Refer to that sentence.
Refer to that
Yeah,
sentence, struggle, my girls.
Yeah, make me come contact, but when me not come out. I'm bad to bad, me not come out the woman there. And when me come out time, me come out time. She's not God, that's why me can't say she lie. Me never say God lie. I would never say God lie. She not God, that's why me can't say she lie, bless. You deaf?
I had a caption there.
She not God. Anytime people come and talk the truth and talk their mind, if me come and big her up in a year, say me's a blessed lady, I got one nice church. But if they come and talk your mind against the woman, and something you know like.
Struggle, my girls.
She not got church, so when she ready, she come out and come fix up people.
Struggle, my girls.
She not got church, so when she ready, she come out and come fix up people. What
Mother
is it?
struggle.
The struggle muggles say no call the woman name. The struggle muggles call the woman name and me come and justify what the struggle muggles say. See, when you come here, problem one no nasty curse. I use no bless. You
Nasty curse. Back up. Struggle, my girls.
Me irrelevant here, you watch me. Me feel special. Because somebody irrelevant, me not watching them.
That panda struggle, my girls.
Me not watch them. Me done some say about V already. And a nasty struggle muggles not tell no lie for me out here.
Struggle, my
Struggle
girls.
muggles not tell no lie for me, yeah? The thing with the phone and the ring light, let me tell you it go. Me come at Jamaica, I was going to Jamaica. And we were friends at that time. And I used to do my local streaming then before I start doing my blogging like this. And I'm going down and him said, Gracie, you're coming down? And I said, yes. And he said, Gracie, can you please bring me a ring light and a phone? And a cheap phone that I can do my local calling lives on. I said, okay, and I bring him a phone and a ring light. I bring him a phone and a ring light.
Struggle, my girls.
I'm struggling, my girls already. Go back on your life, let's talk it how it go.
Struggle, my girls.
I bring him a phone and a ring light.
Mother struggles.
I was down there and I just started going down there for the big yard. The stream, the big yard series. And he said, Gracie, you know, I want to see in a big yard. And
Like and share, struggle, my girls.
$5,000.